What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be doing a sound test between the Shure SM57 and the Shure SM7B. The reason why I want to do a sound test is to compare basically a $100 microphone versus a microphone that costs a couple of $100 and see if there's a real difference in quality and see if you can get away with just using a $100 microphone versus a couple of hundred. Save some money, or is it worth spending? You know, comparing the two models. To make this fair, what I've done is I've taken away the cloud lifter from the SM7B. So just a clear signal with no extra bits and pieces in between, no processing, no nothing. This is just the sound that comes through. Both sounds are at equal level on the audio interface, so basically both are at 3/4 full. So let's dive straight in and do a sound test and see which one has the better sound. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. She sells seashells at the seashore. Seashells, seashells at the seashore. She sells seashells at the seashore. She sells seashells at the seashore. Woo! Woo! This is at the quietest dynamic I can talk. This is at the quietest dynamic we can talk. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? The one who lives on Drury Lane? Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? The one who lives on Drury Lane? Okay, so that's the sound test. Now it's up to you guys to compare the two models together to see which one you prefer. I did a bit of plosives, did some regular talking, talked at a really loud dynamic, did a really low dynamic, did a whole bunch of different stuff for you guys to see what you like the best and what you think is most worth the money. So thank you so much for watching this little Shure SM7B versus Shure SM57 sound test, and I will see you guys soon.